Okay. Tour A kami ngayon. Maganda ba yung pupunta natin?
Sir, hindi po kami kayong kasama niyo po, sir. Iba
Ay,
po.
ay na. Mas masaya kayo kasama eh. Dapat kayo eh.
Alam mo na, hindi lang, sir.
Okay, Tour A kami ngayon. Hapon Tour C.
Dito po kayo, sir. Dito kami? Dito kayo, sir. Ah, dito?
Ito ang port ng El Nido. Yan, naakyat na kami para mag-tour ulit sa mga isla. Sa kabila. Okay guys, 3 days here in El Nido. We go in ilang destination ba tayo ngayon? 3 destination ba tayo, man? Oh, madami. Okay. Tour A tayo ngayon, ano? Okay, Tour A kami ngayon. 3rd days dito sa El Nido. Tomorrow, Puerto Princesa kami, going to Underground River.
Or maybe called Selang. Yeah, we're the same, but different. Yeah, just kidding. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you a short briefing before we proceed to our destination, right? This is just very important, okay? Because this briefing might save our life and of course our environment as well by simply following our rules. Is that clear? But before that, I would like to know if are you all in the good conditions? Are you all in the good conditions? Say yes!
Yes! Yes!
No energy. I need at least 110% of your energy, everyone, okay? Later on, in our destinations, we have so many activities. Remember, we had kayaking, okay? We also have swimming, jogging, boxing, fishing, anything except for nothing. Let me just check if we have energy for today's tour. When I say hep hep, we should say mabuhay. Mabuhay means long live. Can we just write it? Hep hep!
Mabuhay!
Oh, I like it. One more. Hep hep!
Mabuhay!
Oh, please give applause to ourselves.
Mabuhay Philippines!
You don't clap your hands. You don't have lunch later on. What happened? What happened to your breakfast? Seems that you don't have any. You have any problem? Financial problem, baby.
I think so.
Alright everyone, anyway, my name is Dexter. I am one of your tour guide today. It's either you like it or not. Very nice to meet me, everyone. Very nice to meet me. people. And since you are about 27 people on board, I have my co-guides, partner guides, that's Kuya Pablo. Please give me a round of applause. Kuya Pablo.
Kuya Pablo.
So Kuya Pablo and I, we are your official tour guide, alright? So we can be also your photographer, assistant, bodyguard. Later on, for those who are not a good swimmer, you may also call us. Just, if you need some assistance, later on, especially for those who are not a good swimmer, please don't be hesitant to call us, okay? Is that clear? And I would like to meet the most important person in this tour, that's our Captain. Can we just give him a round of applause? Captain Anthony, aka Captain Barbosa. So Captain Barbosa has two boat escaper. At the same time, our anchorman, that's Kuya B1. And the other one is B2. Alright. B1 and B2, so it's easy to remember their name, okay? So we are about 5 people put together with you on this boat, okay? And of course, I would like you to remember the name of our boat. What is the name of our boat, everyone? What is the name of our boat? Ayana 4. Okay? Please remember the name of our boat, okay?
Hindi ko rin nabasa
Because
kanina
of the
po.
places that we are going today, especially Tour 8, that is the most recommended tour, okay? So most of our destination, it is definitely crowded, okay? So maybe you might confuse later on, and you will go up accidentally to the other boat. I'll say to you, bye-bye. Is that clear? And there was an incident happening sometimes that the other tourists or guests are accidentally left on the island by the boatman. Do you know what happened to them? They are now the caretaker of the islands. Some have become vendors. They are now selling coconut and drinks on the islands. Because until now, they didn't find the right boats. Okay? So to avoid that happen, please remember the name of our boat. Ayana number 4. Alright? And of course, welcome
Ayana
to
number
paradise
4.
but amazing place, El Nido, Palawan. And welcome to my office. These are my office. The island of El Nido.
All island
So
is
later
yours.
on, I
Is
will
yours.
let you all explore my office so that you will see how beautiful it is. Alright? Let's talk about our tour itinerary. Today we are going to explore itinerary package Tour B. Am I right? Huh?
Hey! Oh, you're wrong.
What is your boat? What is your boat? Huh? Ayana 4? Your boat is Ayana 4? Oh my goodness. You made me confused. What is your boat? Hey.
Hey!
Hey. Kayo po ma'am, sir? Anong tour nyo?
Tapos na tayo kahapon eh.
Alright everyone. So I'm just double checking because I just want to make it sure po that you are in the right boat. Okay? Because in our tour itinerary, today we are going to explore itinerary package Tour 8. And as you know, Tour 8 is composed of 5 destinations. But each destination or every destination, we only have minimum of 30 minutes, maximum of 40 minutes in order to complete our 5 destinations. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes.
So our first destination, that would be the 7 Commando Beach. Okay, so from here going to our first stop, it will take about 1 hour. 1 hour by kayak. But since we take the boat, it is just 25 minutes we get there. Second destination, that will be the most highlights of our tour itinerary today, which is Big Lagoon. Okay? And that's the place where we're gonna kayaking activity. But I would like you to know that the kayaking Big Lagoon, it is rentable. For those who don't know, at least now you know. Okay? Third destination, that will be my personal favorite place, which is our lunch area, Shimizu Island. Right? So fourth destination, that will be the Secret Lagoon. And our last stop this afternoon, it is snorkeling area. So 5 destinations for the whole day and different activities that here po. Alright. So let us know about the rules and regulations that you have to follow during the tours. First, this is very important. Listen everybody, okay? First, just keep smiling. Alright?
Yes.
Don't smile, as I told you, do lunch later on. Second, always wear your life vest, especially for those who are not a good swimmer. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay? Third, regarding to your mask and snorkeling gears, okay? Especially when it's rented, you have to take care of it, okay? Because once you list it, you have to pay 1,500 pesos. Is that clear? And third, during snorkeling, you are not allowed to step on the corals. Most of the corals around in Middletown, it's already 250 years old. Do not kill them by stepping on it. If you want to kill someone, I will allow you to kill Kuya B1 and B2, but not the corals, please. Okay? So that's all for now because I know that you are all excited. For more information, additional instruction, we will leaving it to your destination already. For those who would like to take some photos, please come forward. Don't be shy, everyone. It's your time to shine. Captain, take over. Masakit na sa kalamunan.
Okay guys, dito kami sa first destination sa 7 Commando. 7 Commando ba? Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit tinawag nila na 7 Commando ito.
Alright everyone. So I know that some of you are thinking or wondering why we call it 7 Commando. So the first recorded name of this beach, it is Ipet. Alright, Ipet, that is the name of the tree, which is family of acacia tree. And that was renamed after the lager boat stranded here in 1982. The name of the boat it is 7 Commando. So when the boat restored the lead mark on the stone, 7 Commando.
Okay, 7
So
Commando.
we call it 7 Commando because of the name of the lager boat. But the marker is already erased because it's long time ago. We already changed it the coconut tree. Did you see that there's so many coconut trees? Maybe after 10 years we'll call it coconut tree. Or maybe if you saw a baby boy naked walking along the beach, after 1 week we'll call it sand. Alright? Everyone, as I told you, every destination that we have today, we only have maximum of 40 minutes. But this time, according to our captain, that we will extend our time. Instead of 40 minutes, according to him, we will make it 42 minutes. Please give a big hand to our captain.
Okay. Thank you.
Enjoy the 42 minutes, everyone. Okay?
Okay
Alright,
guys.
everybody, so this boat will
That's
gonna drop us right
our
now on the
tourist guide,
We'll
David
pick up
Bida.
us after 40 minutes. If you need to break down
Pero
the
masaya,
minutes,
kausap.
it's up to you or it's your choice. But if you want to leave it on the boat, it is very, very safe. We can assure you that we already changed some.
Commando Island. Okay guys, this is 7 Commando. El Nido, Palawan. Seven Commando Islands here in El Nido, Palawan.
Pakinang init.
color of the waters become changes, that means it is very deep. So when you get there, you have to take care of your cell phone or gadgets because there's so many tourists leave their memories inside. Okay, please take care of your cell phone or gadgets. And for those who are willing to rent the kayak, we have capable of 2 person. It is 300 pesos. We also have 3-seater, 500 pesos. And we also have 100 pesos. Dalawang ilan? Dalawang 3-seater?
Yeah, boy, may dalawa, boy.
Ha?
Ikaw wala.
Meron. Yan, sir, na yung dagdawan natin. Dalawa po kayo.
Okay guys, gano'n kami dito sa Lagoon. Ano ba tawag dito?
Big Lagoon.
Big Lagoon. Yan, nagpaddle kami ni Jumay. Iwan namin sila doon sa bangka.
Parang malayo ah.
Ha?
Parang malayo.
Malayo yung. Okay. Pagilid kamay. Dito ka punta. Dito sa right side tayo. Tapos balik natin mamaya. Doon ulit sa kabila. Para hindi tayo makasalubong nila. Yan. Okay. Papasok lang kami ng Lagoon, guys. O baka magkabangga tayo. Kaya nga. Punta tayo banda rin sa dulo, may. Tapos ingat ka pa, taon tayo, cellphone natin. Yan. Okay, dito na kami banda sa dulo. Nangawit ako sa position natin na upo na ito. Tira natin. Hanggang dito pala na. O doon tayo iikot. Diba? Hindi mo may straight line. May babalik na tayo eh. Bagay dulo na rin naman to eh. Pwede na rin. Okay, ito yung ano ba tawag ito? Blue Lagoon. Okay guys, dito sa Coron, Palawan. Okay, nice view. Bawal nga eh.
Uy, malalim dyan.
Ayun sila ate.
Malalim daw dyan ha.
Baka bilis yung dalawa dyan ha.
Kayo, kanan, kanan. Dalawang kanan, dalawang kaliwa. Bilis ha, karera.
Karera.
Tayo kuya.
Okay, Blue Lagoon. Yo, si ate at si anak Pyrie.
Ay, bagalan mo, Mike.
Babangga sila doon. Sila ate babangga doon.
1, 2.
Akala ko doon lang, mayroon pa pala dito nakatago. Mayroon pa pala dito, Blue Lagoon pa sa loob. May paliko pala no? Yun. Yun, ganda na ko. Murak formation, no? Okay guys, mayroon pa pala rito nakatago sa loob ng Blue Lagoon. May paliko pa pala ito dito. Okay na, kahit di na tayo makarating doon man na. Kahit di na tayo makarating doon man na, natatanaw naman na natin dito. Ano? Asa sila anak pa rin? Saan sa dulo?
Ha?
Talagang pumunta talaga sila sa dulo?
Sila pa rin.
Ay, may nakapasok pala yung bangka doon ako. Sa kabila, oh. Yun, oh, lumusot, oh. Ako, mainit. Ayun sila ate, lumusot sila sa kuweba. Kasama yung bangka. Yan, hirap na hirap sila makalusong. Yeah. Basa na yung ano.
That is Minilong Island Resort owned by Ayala. If you want to extend that resort, you have to pay start around 27,000 up to 149,000. That is the most cheapest resort in Palawan after pandemic.
How much?
27 up to 149,000
Per night?
package.
27.
So the most expensive resort in Palawan right now after pandemic is Banwa Resort, located at Rojas, Palawan. Banwa Resort, regular price, it is around 1.2 million up to 5 million per package. You rent the whole island. So this one is more cheaper than Banwa Resort. And we also have a promo package during low season. It is only 500 pesos per head. But you will stay with the guardhouse. That you will feel that you are very, very safe. Alright, Captain? Boat ride, we are now here to our third destination. And this is our lunch area, okay? But we are going to have lunch on the beach. We're going to put or to set up our table somewhere down there in the picnic area, alright? The food will be ready within 10 minutes, but we'll get to at least 40 minutes. And the reason why we call it chimiso, chimiso, that is the name of the Japanese diver accidentally discovered the underwater tunnel just like other side of this island, okay? But during exploration, he was died. According to some rescuer, that the cave is a chamber. So Mr. Shimizu was stuck at one of the gates. Because when the tunnel was going up in the cave, the entrance, it has become unclear. Just because of the different color. So he became stuck inside of one of the chamber until he running out of air ducts. Then he died. The causes is drowning. Okay, so for his memories, we're remembering we call it Chimiso after him. Maybe one of you here want to change the name of this island?
Diba, dito ka pala nagsuot ka ng
Those who
ganyan.
want to change the name of it?
You don't wanna die.
Okay, so let's move on, alright? So as I told you, the lunch will be on the beach.
Okay, dito muna kami mananghalian. Sa isla. Isla. Anong isla kanina to? Anong isla kanina to, sir?
Po.
Anong isla ito kanina?
Po.
Anong
Simiso
isla?
Island.
Simiso. Okay, Simiso Island daw ito. Preparing food. Kasi manangalian kami. Ayan.
Di ba na iba? Meron tayong free hotdog. Dito lang meron yan. Sa Palawan po siya. Meron pa tayong tabako.
Yan yung aming tourist guide. Si Dexter. Si Dexter, ang aming tourist guide.
Ano mo tawag yan? Tabako.
Japanese student yung aming mga kasabay.
Ay, tanggalin mo na. Kala ko tatanggal. Drinks po. All right, everyone. Can we just have a group photo?
Ma'am, gusto niyo magpa-grouping? Kaya pera mo ng phone niyo para sali kayo.
Ayo! Kaya palugi. Tama. Ako kayo. Yan. Kakain natin. Agis kamay lang gamit.
Ano to kuya? Serving spoon? Ha?
Hindi lang kaya na magtrabaho, guys.
So just wear your shoes because there is a lot of rock and very sharp. So you need to protect your foot, spin your mask or your phone. Okay? You're gonna stay like 30 minutes only here. We're taking picture inside the cave. All of you can swimmer, right? Then big swimmer, just wear your life vest. Safety first before anything else. You wanna go? You're gonna stay here. Tama po kayo?
Inisip ko namin. Kasi underground river lang. Parang ganun lang.
Ano lang po siya, maliit lang siya, parang ganito yung sitwasyon niya, may bato. So pag high tide po, higal lang kayo, hilahin kayo pumasok sa loob. So the activity here only snorkeling is swimming. So snorkeling area only here. Okay, so if you're lucky today, you see the turtle here. Small one or the big one turtle. So if you're not lucky, you see the shark. Good luck. No, I'm just kidding. It's only here. Okay, we're gonna stay like 35 minutes, ma'am, sir.
May ibang kulay, no?
May kulay ito kanina.
White, saka no? Pwede.
Dito ka na lang. May blue talaga sa pwede yun?
Mga amo ng mga isda dito sa Coron, Palawan.
Ay, nito.
Ay, hindi, di ba? Dito part pa rin naman yun, di ba? Parehas din naman. El Nido at saka Coron is ano lang, di ba? Iisa lang sila. Galing, oh.
Ayun na, pinapalibutan ka na.
Yan guys, so dito kami sa anong slide, anong ano ito? Sir? Anong ano ito dito?
South Minilok.
South
Minilok.
Minilok. Okay, dito kami sa South Minilok. Manilok. Yan, ganda po ng isda, oh, yan, oh. Galing na. Yan. Okay guys, dito kami sa Manila Island ng El Nido, Palawan. Okay guys, yan, pakikita ko sa iyo mga isda dito. Yan, oh. Oh, di ba? Okay. Yan, oh, iba-ibang kulay ng isda. Oh. Yan guys, yung mga naka-live fish, hindi mga isda. Yan, ah. Yan mga dolphin yan. Yan, dito po yan guys sa Masinloc, El Nido, Palawan. Lumayo na sila, yun, nandun na sila. Lumipat sila doon sa kabila. Ayun, dinadagit nila yung pagkain. Oh, nag-aagawan sila. Oh. Nag-aagawan sila. Yan. Oh. Ganda, oh. Kala mo nasa aquarium lang, pero dito kami sa bangka, guys. Yan, oh. Diba? Ang daming isda. Andun sila, Biyo, yun, oh. Dami nila. Ayan. Wala na, sila umubos ng pagkain eh. Imbis yung isda ang umubos ng pagkain, sila nag-ubos. Yan.
Ano ba chichirya dyan? Nasaan ba? May chichirya ka ba sa bangko, baka?
Ayan na sila, nagsawa na sila. Ayan sila kanina.
Sinanay yung pagsita. Meron na to, nutila, oh.
Nutila talaga.
Oh, sabay mo mga. Sabay mo mga. Lapit na. Hawakan mo yung Skyflix, lalapit sa'yo. Hawakan mo. Yan. Hawakan mo dali. Yan. Ang dami, oh. Huwag mo durugin. Ayan, oh. Dami, oh. Huli.
Dami, oh. Ayun, oh.
Nahawakan mo ba?
Tingnan mo sila sa camera. Sa ilalim.
Andiyan na sila sa mapaanan nyo, eh. Diba? Ayan guys, sa ulo mo, dami. Okay guys, ang ganda rito. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Nakakain ba to, kuya? Ganyan yung isda? Nakakain? Lion fish yan, di ba?
Oo, masarap din pangat. Taksiw.
Nakakain yan. Inuulam niya pag ano mo yan?
Masarap yan, nililaw.
Inuulam? Meron ba kayong fish net dyan? Oo, nakakagigil eh sa kuligin. Lalampatin nyo lang. Oo nga, di ba ganun, no? Fish net ba? Ganun.
Hindi, bawal eh. Bawal. Bawal. Ayun.
Yung balabag.
Okay. Dito yan sa Masinloc, El Nido, Palawan. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Hi ka, hi. Galing. Galing ano. Galing mo na.
We're going back home.
Okay, the last one is go back home. Finish destination.
Shoes, the Barome company, please bring back in the lady because the lady is wearing the beach. Okay, so everyone, thank you.
Thank you, Captain.
Everyone, the tip box is not a mandatory. But from bottom of your heart,
Wala na, nakalimutan mo na eh.
appreciate it. So everyone, thank you.
Okay. Okay, bye to the student of Japan. I hope that you enjoy here in El Nido, Palawan.
Thank you.
Okay. Tapos na yung aming tour today. Pagod si Mami. Enjoy sa Blue Lagoon.
Sedih.